What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a Nitro engine right here. So this Nitro engine will have symptoms with these bearings. They will make your engine run like crap, and you won't even figure out what the hell is going on. You will go crazy and bananas. But I want you to pay attention to a few things that I'm about to tell you today. First of all, this is the front bearing and this is the rear bearing. So this bearing is located like down here, right in the center of the engine, and this one is like somewhere in the middle, like right over here inside. So just by the sound or by observing the performance of your engine here, this is a TRX Traxxas 3.3 Nitro engine. So I want you to listen to this audios, okay? First of all, if you're going crazy trying to tune your engine and your idle is bouncing up and down and the idle never just settles, okay, that could be due to a bad bearing, okay? You will never be able to tune your Nitro engine if your bearing is leaking. So I want you to listen to this little noise, not a noise, listen to the sign of this. I took this audio out of another video, and I want you guys to listen to this. This idle will come down and bounce back up, and it will come up and down. The idle will never settle no matter what you do. So listen to this. Okay, now that you listen to the idle, the sound, this seal will leak. Most of the time, if your idle is bouncing up and down, it's most likely 99.99999 times it's your bad bearing, okay, front bearing. This is the bearing right here. It will suck air. You will also have it will also spit out oil. You will see markings on the base of this engine, around it, and exhaust. You will see a buildup, okay? You will see a buildup around this area. So that would be another sign, okay? It's hard to tell, but you might want to do a pressure test. I will do a video on a pressure test and to see if I do got a leak in this one here. So let's look at this and listen to the noise of the rear bearing. First of all, this bearing will make some kind of zzz. It will be only when the engine is running. So there will be a noise of the engine running nicely, and there will be the beautiful noise the Nitro engine will make, but there will be a noise in a noise, okay? Listen to this noise first of all. Listen to this. This is a bad bearing. Came out of this very Nitro engine. Okay, so that's the noise. So now let's look at and listen to this, the audio of this, and you will hear a noise in a noise. And that noise, you can't ignore that noise, but you're just going to have to listen to your Nitro engine. If you don't listen to this baby, it's not going to work properly. Anyways, let's listen to this right now. Okay, now that you heard that, so both of these bearings have, this one will barely make any noise. You won't hear the noise. It doesn't go bad that way. But this one, that's the noise you will hear, okay? And you will have, you don't want to ignore that noise, because this bearing will break small pieces. It will get into your piston sleeve. It will damage, it will destroy your engine, okay? So, so this bearing here, like we spoke about, you will have a pressure. Fuel can leak out of it. Air can get into it. It will suck air on a downstroke. The pressure that it will build to push fuel into the intake in through the sleeve, it can leak out. It could suck air in it. All kinds of symptoms. So you will always have lean conditions, because fuel will leak out, air will seep in. Anyways, guys, hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And got more videos coming out. We're gonna do a pressure test on this baby, and you guys will see leak. This engine has leak. I have no clue. It seems like it's coming from right in the front of the bearing here. So we will remove this clutch and everything and put it dip into water and shoot pressure into it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys in the next video.